are at the bathtub. There's a naked baby on the floor. Went for her friends in. These are her friends. Up here, there's Dolphin Guy. There's Orange Scoop Guy. Green Scoop Guy. This is Little Fish Face. Oh, and one of her favorites is the Barnyard Bath Book. Huh. This one you like? Yay! Into the bathtub we go! Let's make some bubbles! 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 She's ready. But now Mama has to get in. So I'm going to turn off the camera now because now Mama gets into the bath. Yeah. So exciting!